Hello and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today we're going to be doing a deep dive into BTCUSD. First, let's look at the major news events that could affect Bitcoin's price. Recent news headlines indicate significant volatility in the BTCUSD market, with President Trump's actions creating uncertainty. The proposed National Digital Asset Stockpile has sparked heated debate among industry experts, and there is much speculation about what might happen next. Let's turn to the charts now, starting with the daily chart for BTCUSD. We see a recent price surge, but it has since come off those highs. We want to look for support and resistance levels. The daily chart shows that the recent surge, while significant, was short-lived, possibly suggesting that this wasn't an indication of a long-term bullish trend. This could be correlated with initial positive sentiment toward President Trump's crypto proposals that quickly waned. Notice the significant volume accompanying the recent price spike and subsequent drop. High volume often indicates stronger conviction in the market, suggesting the potential for more significant moves in either direction. Let's now zoom in on the last week's data on the one-day time frame. Here, we can observe a more detailed picture of the recent price fluctuations and see exactly what the candlestick formation looks like. Switching to the 1-hour chart allows us to see more granular details in the price behavior and volume. The shorter time frame helps to highlight more immediate support and resistance levels. Here, we can spot some short-term reversals and price consolidations. The 1-hour chart gives better insights into intraday trading opportunities, which is very important for short-term decisions. Now let's take a look at the 15-minute chart for an even closer examination of recent price movements, enabling us to observe minor candlestick formations which might indicate short-term trends. The high frequency of this chart allows us to analyze the most recent candles to identify any potential short-term patterns or reversals that have occurred in the past couple of days. We can see that the 15-minute chart shows various small-scale consolidations in the short term. These consolidations can indicate indecision in the market before a potential breakout in either direction. Analyzing all three timeframes provides a comprehensive perspective. It's essential to use multiple timeframes for a holistic picture of market sentiment. Key support and resistance levels on the daily chart are important to consider. The break above or below these levels may strongly indicate the direction of the market trend. Looking at the 1-hour chart, we can identify more immediate support and resistance levels, which are crucial for intraday trading decisions. The 15-minute chart, while more volatile, can help traders find entry and exit points within a short period. Observing candlestick patterns here can indicate potential short-term price movements. In summary, the recent price action in BTCUSD is highly volatile and depends on several factors, including news and market sentiment. Key support and resistance levels should be monitored closely. While the current price sits around 40,000, a break above 45,000 on the daily chart could signal a short-term bullish trend. If the price breaks through the 100K mark on the one-day chart, that might trigger higher prices. Alternatively, a drop below 35,000 on the daily time frame might suggest a bearish trend. Short-term traders should pay close attention to support and resistance levels found on the 1-hour and 15-minute charts. It is always important to conduct your own thorough research and analysis before making any investment decisions. Remember, past performance does not guarantee future results.